Well, I saw your question here. Graph 2 periods of the tangent, and actually just picking out the graph. Y equal tangent of quantity x plus pi tenths. So what I generally do is take what's in the parentheses, set it equals 0, and solve. That gives us the phase shift. So it's shifted negative pi tenths. It's going to be shifted the tangent function to the left pi tenths. So I will go on to page 136 where they have the y equal tangent of x graphed. So they have just one period of it graphed here. And you see the asymptote here is at negative pi halves. We want to shift that to the left pi tenths. And so it's, you take negative pi halves minus pi tenths. And they'd be, you convert this to negative 5 pi tenths minus pi tenths, and that'd be negative 6 pi tenths, which would simplify, if you divide by 2 to negative 3 pi fifths. So this asymptote would shift to negative 3 pi fifths. You could simply take each of these values and subtract the negative pi tenths, but if you just do it for one, then you have what you need. If you want to find this asymptote, you take pi tenths away from pi halves. Hope this helps.